Me and my friend are playing this game. I have no clue what it is. Neither does he. Oh, do you know what this is? We got a stack
Nope.
and a hammer.
Only I know is that there's a train. Okay, bro, why do you look like that?
What do you mean? What do you gotta say? Why do you look like that?
Ooh,
Alright,
what do I look like?
you just have a cowboy hat on.
Bro, you have a. Wait, let me see. Let me take a screenshot.
Take a
Let me
screenshot.
see, send it to you.
Alright, yeah, send it to me.
Alright, take. Let me see. Okay, wait. Position. And I'll tell you when I'm done. But ready. I'm gonna send it to you in Discord. Tell me how you feel you look like.
Alright.
Alright. How do you feel like you look like?
Oh no, I'm looking crazy good. Alright, drag gold bar to the table to sell it. Oh, right here, Tom. Trading post. We gotta pick it up. Oh, I got it. $50. Todd, did you get that $50?
Yeah, I got 20 bucks.
Buy coal from the general store over here. Wait, Todd, go into the gunsmith. See if you can buy a gun or something. I'm gonna go to the general so we can buy the
Oh,
coal.
there's guns, right?
Alright, try to buy one if you can.
Can
I'm gonna buy.
you could? You only got 30. We can't buy nothing.
I got 7. Well, I only got 30. What did you buy?
You can't get nothing.
Oh, Todd. Alright. I got us a coal. Let's go. This game's looking pretty good so far. Do we just put it in the fire? I put it in the fire. Todd, drive us. Oh, we're going! Mexico! We're in Mexico right now.
For real?
Yeah, we're in Mexico. It said the sign. Or did we just hop the border? I don't know. What's that? It's horse! Boy, what the heck?
We cowboys.
Oh, cowboys.
Where are we going?
I don't know. How do you have that shovel, bro? I don't got it. I only got a hammer. I see
I
more
dig up
focus.
things.
Uh, I hammer things down.
But we're
Oh, it's
3,000
out.
miles.
Stop. Halt. Actually, keep going a little bit more. Keep going a little bit more. Go like 25 speed. Todd, 25 speed. What are you doing? That's like 5 years away. Actually, I'll just start walking. You move the train though. Move the train over here so we don't have to walk all the way over there.
Can't.
What do you mean you can't?
Like, it won't let me start the engine.
Oh, it's probably out of coal here. Yeah, I'll put it up there. Or just take it. Put it in the fire. So get your bag out. Like put the bag away. Put the bag away. Sheriff. What is this? Is there a zombie in here? Tall, there's 2 zombies in here. I'm beating them.
Oh, you could kill the zombies because you have a hammer.
Taco?
What?
Oh! I got a rifle. Oh! Oh, I just cooked that zombie. I have a gun, and I just shot that man right in the stomach. He got cooked. It's so realistic, too.
Buddy, I can't get this coal.
What do you mean you can't get this coal?
Yeah, I can't pick it up.
Tom, I'm coming. I have 5 bullets left. Oh, there's no more stuff in there, only zombies. So look at this rifle I got. Do you want it? Right here. It one-shot zombies. Don't take it. It's E. It's E to pick up.
Bro, why did I just hear wolves?
I don't know.
Bro, we cooked.
Where did you leave the coal at? Oh no no.
Okay. Bunny. Bunny.
Where did you
Stop
leave the
it right
coal
here.
at? Where did you leave
Right
the coal
here.
at? Ow. Ah! Taco! Oh damn! Where?
Bunny, come. Right here. Hurry, bro.
Oh my god. We're out of here. We're out of here.
Bunny, let me drive.
Alright. Oh heck, stop.
Get me out.
There's a zombie over there. Oh heck,
Bro
stop.
lost his
So
brother.
stop. There's another house and we don't got that much coal. Tom, come with me. Stop the full train and come with me. Tom, I don't think you stopped the train. Oh no, man. It's stopping. Oh, it's a zombie! Zombies! Tom, I got you. Don't waste that much bullets. Find me.
Bunny, I don't have a...
Run! Taco! No!
Bunny.
I'm being cooked. Tom, we should have stopped. We should have stopped. Ah!
You wanna play again?
Yeah, let's play again. It's only on one job. Shoot the damn zombies.
Bro, the thing did not have no more ammo. What am I supposed to do?
I mean, you're right.
But you got a cheek slap by the...
What do you mean you got cooked?
Bro. Bro, I just saw you getting beaten to death.
Bro, you got cooked first. But it looks like we can heal each other without like pay to win stuff. Without paying. Because we need bandages.
This game isn't really that pay to win, bro.
Yeah, it's not like Dusty Road Trip.
No, bro, Dusty Road Trip, you need to buy 500 steps to at least finish it.
You gotta buy like 50 things just to get a helicopter. That's all I know. Drag gold bar to
Alright.
table. So we know now that if it turns night, we need to get the hell out of there.
Yep.
How do you just drag? Yes, drag right there. Grab. Collect.
My money. Ooh, I have $70. I could
I only
buy
have 20.
a gun.
No, don't. We gotta have coal.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, should I get rifle ammo?
No, Tal. Just buy like one coal. Buy one coal. Bruh. Tal, buy one coal.
Are we? Okay.
And once you buy one coal, alright, yeah, just save their $35 after that. Alright, come on. Or give the coal to me. Give the coal to me.
Benny, get the coal. I got 2.
Oh, two, okay.
Get them.
Let's go, let's go. Actually, we need one to start up the train. So all you want to do is just keep the coal up and look up and walk up the ladder. That's it. Oh, actually, hold up. Let me just do this. Wait, stop the train.
Buddy,
You good?
I was getting run over by the train. Why did he put it in?
I put all of them in. See, our field thing is now like almost all the way over there. So I don't have to like keep putting it in. So like if we need to go, we need to go fast. I'll tell you if I see a place.
What is that?
It looks like someone's on a horse and they have a gun. Let's get the hell out of here. We ain't messing with that guy. Bro's
Bro,
on a horse with a gun.
that's a certified cowboy.
Real. That boy about to shoot us up.
Bro, the about to steal the train.
Oh wait, I have a pickaxe now.
I have a hammer.
Oh, that's what I used to have, but now I have a pickaxe.
What is that? Wait, let's get a cow.
Those are horses. Let's see if we can go tame one.
Let's try to see if we can ride a cow. Wait, those aren't cows, Bunny. Those are not cows.
Oh, get it, get it. Get
Oh
it. We
no.
out
Bunny,
of
those
here.
aren't cows. Bunny, let me drive. Let me.
Those ain't cows, bro. Those are wolves.
Bunny, those are.
Oh,
I thought those
stop.
were cows.
It's a place. It's a place. A trading outpost.
Oh.
Told we need to make this quick. Told we need to make this quick. Just go. Just go. They're coming. They're coming. Taco. They're here. Get in the driver's seat. Get in the driver's seat. Hello, moms. Why are they still chasing
Bunny, I
us?
dare you to jump. Jump one time.
I don't know. Oh, there's a house right there. Stop.
Hurry.
They're not coming anymore. I think they despawned. Oh, there's another house over there. That one has zombies. Oh, Taco? Taco, it's not working. Taco, it's not working. I can't hit anyone. Taco, help. Taco, help. You killed me.
Bunny, do I leave?
Yeah, get out of there.
Wait, leave the server or what?
No, Taco, just go. Do you want to retry?
Bunny, there was a gunsmith ahead.
Do you want to retry?
Yeah.
Alright. Or maybe that time we don't. So it literally wouldn't let me hit them.
Benny, maybe you buy coal, I buy a gun, and then the rest of the money I get with, I buy another coal.
Alright. We buy revolver though.
Yeah, a revolver. This game isn't that popular though.
Well, this is my private server.
But it's I know, no, but like I mean, it didn't have that much likes. I have an axe.
Oh, I have an axe too. Alright, go get our buddy. I'm gonna go buy coal.
Give me right revolver,
And one ammo,
pop up,
and then you could go buy one singular coal.
pop.
Now put the coal in. Oh, Tom, hand it to me up here. Drop it,
Okay.
unstore it, and hand it up to me up here. Or just do that. Alright, go drive.
Benny, where does it say Mexico?
It's the sign to the right.
What did it say?
It says Mexico. I don't know what
Then
else
why
it
does it
says.
have the United States of America?
What do you mean?
It have the American.
Oh, I'm
Benny,
seeing
I see a house up ahead, and then I see a cowboy with a gun.
it. I keep riding, he's shooting. He's shooting. He's shooting. Oh, hell no. He's
But he
chasing
started shooting at me.
just keep driving, bro. Bro, he hits you. Alright, Tom, stop here, stop here, Tom, stop here, stop here, stop here. Tom, stop here, stop here. Pull out your gun, though. There's zombies here. Ah! Oh, he's hooked. Wait, corpse feel. Corpse feel. So I'm gonna go
Wait,
sacrifice
what
this
does that
zombie.
mean?
I think we can use this as fuel. We can! It gives us a little, but it still works. Wait, Tom, let me see this method. Let me see this method. Bro just came out. Oh damn! Killed one. Oh damn, you shooting
Benny, get those corpse. Bro, what?
him?
Wait, junk fuel. Benny, get the bodies.
Alright, I can only get one at a time. Oh, wait, never. I can store bodies in this little bag. Okay,
What?
that makes sense. Tyler, just don't look at my little bag. Trust. Don't watch this, Taco. Watch this. Watch this.
Bro.
I can just store human zombie bodies in my bag. That's all I know. Get your goofy self
This
over
guy's
here,
name is George.
George. Oh, we're killing George. Oh, there's another house up ahead, so I'll tell you when to stop. Stop, stop right here. I'm going in. Let me see if there's any zombies inside. Oh, it looks like there's two. And it looks like there's something worth $24 in there.
That's ammo. I need that. Bunny, a gun for you.
Oh, rifle ammo. Oh, a double barrel? Shoddy? Oh, bet that. A
Bunny,
sawed
we're
off.
so good.
Junk
Bunny, we
fuel,
gotta
a
get
barrel.
restore these stuff. I'm gonna restore a body. Don't mind me. Definitely do not have a body in my.
Hey, yo. Bro's a body? But I have two bullets in my shotgun.
Bro. Right. Okay, that is not worth decoration.
What do you mean? What is decoration? No, I think we could sell the junk.
Oh yeah, huh?
Alright, go.
Another house up ahead, bro.
Ooh, another house. That means more people to shoot with my double barrel shotgun. which I only have 2 bullets, so it's not gonna do much. Let's see if there's any zombies in the house. It looks like there's one. Never mind, there's 2. Tal, don't get that close. Relax. They could actually still hit you. Oh, you're almost dead. You wanna like kill him off.
I killed him.
Okay, what is that? What is that ammo?
Oh, it was rifle ammo.
Bruh. All right, Tal, you're not going in houses anymore because you're almost dead.
How much health do I have?
You're at red.
Is it growing back up?
Let me see. Stand still. Yeah, kind of. Oh my god. We're restoring some massive bodies up in there.
Bro,
That's a crazy thing
I
to
don't even
say
know
on
how they
YouTube.
fit.
Oh, it's a blood moon. Just keep driving,
Bunny,
Taco. Just keep
we're
driving.
cooked.
Just keep driving. Don't stop. Whatever you do not want to stop on the night of this game. Don't stop at all.
What happens if we run out of fuel?
We won't. Oh, that's a whole village, but like we can't stop. If we do, we're cooked. Oh, and it looks like there's 50 zombies there. Yeah, let's not stop. And they're all running at us at Mach 10 speeds. Let's get out of here. Oh, hell no, they... Oh, what is that music, bro?
Wait, let me see how it looks like from bro. It looks like Walking Dead, bro.
Real.
When you were riding at a few fast,
What do you mean, what do you
you
mean, what do
need
you
to
mean?
do something.
Oh, shoot. It's 2 a.m. though. We need it to be like 6 a.m. That's... Oh, a safe spot. Oh, safe spot right here. See, look, Mexico. It says on the sign.
Mexico.
See, it says on the sign. The safe spot. Let's
Bunny,
go.
we're back into business, bucko.
Let's go.
We need to go to the trading post to sell our items. Who's that?
Oh, those are enemies, but I guess like the walls shoot them down, so we don't really need to waste anything.
Oh yeah, there's turrets.
Oh, $5. The junk costs $5.
Wait, Benny, why do I have zombies in my bag still?
I don't know.
I'm gonna use that for fuel. Okay.
Valuable. Tal, these are valuable. They're the vampires are valuable. $15? Taco.
Gimme.
Tal, right there. There's one of his bodies. You can get that one. It's right here. It's a vampire. Those the vampires cost more money. Thought we could claim bounties if we get an outlaw, which I
Benny,
don't know what
get
that means.
coal.
Coal. Okay, hold up. I'm just checking if there's anything here. Oh, Tal, doctor. A bandage so I can heal you if you die.
Where you get those?
Yeah, I got one. I'm gonna sell this vampire body and buy coal with it. Oh, those cost $15, bro. Sell it and let me have the money. Let me have the money so I can buy coal. All right. We could buy a whole turret on our thing.
Oh yeah. Make us 100.
Hold on, hold on, I'll be back.
Benny,
Hold up.
you need shotgun shells, right?
Yeah, but hold up.
There's like 12 over here. 15. Benny, we need to go. Go, go, go. Bunny?
Alright, hold up. Alright, I'm back. So there's no coal here. I might as well buy shotgun shells then.
Yeah. They're right there.
These ones?
No, Bunny, these ones. These ones. Shotgun.
Okay. 24. I did not mean to buy two. Taco, we might be broke. We're gonna have to we have to go hunt now to get actual fuel. Or we'll kill every zombie and take their souls.
Bro, we're gonna use them as
And so I think those guys on the horses are outlaws. So if we I guess kill them, we could take them back to that place and get their bounty, which would give us money.
Oh.
So we gotta kill
We
them.
could buy a turret.
Yeah, probably. I don't know how much money they give us though.
Yeah, cause
Oh,
you
they're
have a
right there.
shot.
Come on, stop right there. Stop. Hello, sir. Yeah, I bet that you have a pistol. Get out of there! Taco, get out of there! Get out of there! No, get my bandage. Get my bandage. Get my bandage. Heal me. Did you kill him?
Yeah.
Yeah, how did you kill him? Oh, God. Wait, how did he
Did you
die?
get the?
How did you kill him?
I killed him.
You just shot him? Tom, where's my ammo?
My horse now, but go.
Wait,
Go
Tom, let me
kill
see him.
my
Let me see him.
horse.
Tom, let me see him. Tom, let me see him. Let me see him.
Bunny, you put him in there. Put him in there.
I'm trying. Let him go. Let him go. All right, there we go. Tom, where's my ammo? Tom, jump up here. Jump up here. Jump up here.
I
Jump.
can't.
Wait, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. All right, this is your horse right here, Tom. We can't leave him. Let me see if I can just. What the?
I'm gonna
Oh.
shoot it.
Oh, it's a corpse feel. It's corpse feel. Okay, I don't. I didn't get in the fire. There you go. Bruh.
Bro, what's the point of having a horse if
I don't have
you
any of
can't
my
pull it?
ammo.
Huh?
I don't have any more ammo.
Actually, how much do you have?
I had 48 and now I only have 2 because you took them all or something.
How did they take them all?
Stop. I killed one. Alright, take those 2. I'm gonna kill these 2.
Bro, look how far our train is.
Damn, why is our train so far?
And what is this?
Oh, it's a value.
Gold statue, Bunny. That's so valuable.
Okay.
No, it was gold.
Taco? Look what's over there. It's turning night. Taco, get the zombies back in. There's animals over there, and the zombies are gonna come to us from the car or from the house. Just go.
Bunny, you know what time it is. Lock in. We're gonna shoot them all down.
Taco, shoot those wolves. Shoot those wolves so we can steal their bodies.
Oh,
Stop missing.
take that.
Alright, get his body. Get his body. Just go get it. Get him. Go.
Bro, look at our field.
Tom, Tom, get out of the driver's seat. Get out of the driver's seat. All right, just get their bodies out and put them in the fire. Hurry!
Bunny, what?
We're gonna run out of the gas.
Yeah, because they're driving.
Oh, we're gonna run out of gas in front of this village. Taco! There's 50 people on a horse right there! Taco! They're chasing us! Taco!
Bunny, cool.
I'm trying! Are we out of the sight?
Yeah.
So
I don't even
take the
see.
bodies out. Take the bodies out.
No.
What is that? What is that thing? Taco, take the bodies out. Take the bodies out. Hurry. Taco, just leave that behind. Take it out. Take it out. No, we left the go. Oh yes, save point right here. We barely made it. Oh
My
my.
statue.
Oh, we can go back for it. It's fine. Oh my god, we barely made it.
Bro, that statue would have been worth a lot.
Yeah. Go to the trading post so you can trade stuff. I'm gonna see how much this guy's bounty is. $35. So $35 is his bounty. So I'll put all those zombies in the thing. I'm gonna buy one bandage and then I'm gonna buy uh coal.
Cool.
Oh, so there actually is coal here. That's beautiful. I have no ammo in my shotgun though. Oh, something just got cooked. I don't know what it is. Alright, so let's go back. Let's go back. Drive back.
We need that golden statue, bro.
Yeah.
We can't go back. You can only walk back.
Alright, let's walk back. It's not that far. And we can get the buildings.
When we get there, it's nighttime.
Uh-oh. Don't say that.
When
Why
we
does this guy have
really get
a... Is this guy special or something? Bank combo note? It's a code. Oh, what is this? Is there a bank somewhere here? Oh, do you see a bank?
there's a store.
It says bank combo.
Wait, let me see the back.
Do you see the back?
Wait, where is bank?
Combo. I'll just put that. I'll just put that in storage. Let's walk back now.
No, bro. What happened if we die? It's not worth it.
Alright.
We'll just find another golden statue anyway.
Yeah.
Like, why?
I'm gonna
We're
have to
not
get
gonna
off though.
risk.
I'm gonna have to get off at 11 though. Oh, stop. There's a house here. And there's a zombie on the house. Hell, oh, there's two zombies tall. Damn. Go in the house. Let's see how many zombies are. You sneak from them inside, Tal. No, don't go that close. Don't go that close.
There's a silver statue.
Silver statue, okay. There's junk.
Get the bodies. Okay, Benny, get this. Get that. Get the zombies. Okay, Benny.
I think one of these houses on the side would have like a bank. And
Benny,
would...
I'm gonna need some ammo later.
Alright. We'll buy you some ammo. For now, we just need to worry about Stop. It looks like that general store got cooked or something.
Yup.
Oh damn, you cooking them? Here, I'll take them.
You take him. I
No, I'll
can't.
take them. Yeah, headshot them.
Ooh!
There's dynamite.
I didn't even know, bro, was it there?
Oh, I can't store anymore.
I just leave them. But I have 3 ammo.
Oh, we can weld to use. It's junk. It's junk and fuel, so it's like it has a value and it can be used as fuel. Oh wait, hold up. Let's stop right here so I can get rid out of all this stuff in my inventory. You should too.
I only have my statue.
That's dynamite. It wanted to burn. It wanted to burn. it's it wants to. It doesn't want to live. It doesn't want to exist. And then all right, yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Actually, no, wait,
Yeah,
wait, stop, stop. All
bro,
right,
we
go,
have
go,
so
go, go.
much fuel.
Yeah, go, 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 go. Oh, damn, we almost are full. Okay, we
We are
like that.
good, Bunny.
Yeah, we're doing
You see
good.
the sun?
Oh. Ooh,
Do you know what time it is? Running time. A wolf is chasing us down. Wolf is chasing.
um, why would we like I see these villages, I just want to go in there, but at the same time, we are going to get 260 boxed if we go in there. Like I want to go there, but like I also don't.
But if you fall off, I'm leaving.
You're leaving me behind if we fall. Oh, there's a big dude in there too. Oh, hell no, just keep going. The big dude is running after us. Not anymore.
Is it still running at us?
It's still running at us. And it looks like it's running at Mach 10 speeds. It's actually catching up to us. Never mind. That's a new one. Oh, and there's more bandits. And there's another big guy. He's running.
I
He's
don't
running
think
at
that's a
us.
big guy, Bunny. I think that's a mutant fox.
So it looks like a big guy. It's Big Queso.
We're almost at 30,000 miles.
There's like 3 big guys over there and 50 foxes or wolves. So
You better
honestly,
go, bro.
if we get a big guy to chase us all the way to this Todd, Todd, stop. Oh wait, never mind. Keep going. Keep going. I want. All right, now stop. I want this big wolf guy to come over here so he gets shot down and see how much he's valuable. What's up, little bro? Yeah, you're getting shot. What you gonna do? Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh yeah, cooked. Oh, there's a werewolf right here, and it says it's valuable.
$20? Nah. Benny, can you give me the wolf so I could get a rifle? I did not think it to look like that.
Oh, $20. That's it. That's used as a tool. Alright, I'll buy yourself
I need to
whatever.
sell something, bro.
That's bandages. I need to go
I
get myself
need a
ammo.
rifle, bunny.
Oh, I need to go buy myself some ammo though.
Bunny, can you give me anything?
Oh, right there.
$10.
That vase. I think it's like $5. Which is not enough. It's not enough. You need $5 more.
Bro, what is $5 more?
Is there anything that I can buy?
Get coal.
I can't. I only have 15. You have money though. And you,
40. But I need a rifle.
but like we have no money for that. Touch, come on. We'll buy you a rifle on the way.
Right. Bro, I have 3 ammo. Get it.
I just wanna hurry up because I have to go at 11.
We need coal. We need.
I'm so sad we left that horse behind.
Bro, we killed it.
Oh wait. Oh, actually, we should stop here. Not gonna lie. This one's way smaller, and I actually have ammo now. Back off, little bro. Oh, bomb. Alright, put those two in the, put those two in the fire. I'll handle these bombs. I'm solo leveling, man. Yeah, man. What's up, little bro? Ah! Ah! I'll take you all on. Damn, you smash at me. I'll put all those bodies in the train. I'll do this myself. I healed a little. Damn. I'll put it all. Oh, damn. Wait, that actually jump scared me. Oh, there's gold stuff in here. Silver plate. Oh, there's too much stuff in here for us.
Putting behind you, behind you. Behind me.
Oh, you're good, you're good. Oh, it's your statues you've been yapping about.
Where?
Right there, a silver statue and a normal statue.
Bunny, we're gonna become rich.
Real. And there's some gold stuff in here. So I'll get that silver stuff. I'm full.
Bunny, what about all of these?
All of what? Oh, all the bodies? Just put them in until we're full.
You help me, bro. It's
I know.
almost gonna turn night. We have to hurry.
I know, I know. So I'll put them up there, you put them in.
Alright. Bro, just
We can throw them. Oh damn! Tom, watch this.
Wait, let me see.
Tom, watch this. Tom, watch this. Tom, watch this right here. Tom, watch this. Oh, no, not that. Not that. Right here. Tom, get in the cart.
Benny, get more bodies.
I think we're full now, right?
Yeah.
We are not full. All right, just go.
Benny, how much health am I at?
Half. All right, Tom. We're just gonna
Wait,
keep driving at this point. No, this video is gonna be very long. Talk. I'm still recording.
me too. I've been recording for like 3 hours.
What? Aren't you live streaming?
Yeah.
How many viewers?
1.
Still one. Like, what is that
Bro,
one guy doing?
I don't know.
Because I'm not the one viewer. I'm not even on Twitch. So we're definitely gonna be rich though.
Yep.
It's 2 a.m. What is that over there? It's like a house, but it has some stuff around it. Oh, it's a farm.
Oh,
There's a farm over there. Do you think it'll have like a tractor, like a car, basically? Ooh, imagine having a car in this game. This would be great. That'd be great.
I'll be running over the zombies, bro.
Like a car they could put on the back of your train.
Oh.
Oh, the shooting. Just keep going. Mexico. Damn, what the
This
hell
is
is it
not
now?
Mexico.
Oh, there's 50 zombies after us. Now there's
Bro,
nothing.
why is it...
40k kilometers. Oh, what is that over there? Oh, stop. We might, Tom, we just might have to get in a gun battle.
I don't have ammo.
You don't? I have 2 shots, and there's 2 of them, so if I just get close to them, then I could one-shot them both. If I don't die first, this man has godly aim, real. It didn't one-shot him. It... Are you dead? Did he die?
Yes.
Alright, well, that's gonna be it for today. That was a very long video. 15 minutes long. That's wild. Anyways, we might do this tomorrow. I don't know. See y'all.